right, so let's pull this all together with our reference angles, and we'll get the signs of the quadrants here. So looking at, on mine it's green. This line right here, I know yours is in black and white. This is our 30-degree angle right here. So 30 degrees, you know the hypotenuse is 1, which means this would be 1/2. And then this side would be root 3 over 2. So if we were to create a coordinate out of that, that's root 3 over 2 to the right. So that would be our x-coordinate. And then the y-coordinate would be 1/2. So this would be for a 30-degree angle. I'm going to erase that so that I can write it for the 45er. So 45 on mine is this purple one. So hypotenuse is 1, and then remember when we divided that by root 2, it became root 2 over 2 for both sides. So that means our coordinate, both our x and our y, would be root 2 over 2. That's for a 60-degree angle. Oh, sorry. No, it's not. That's for a 45-degree angle. Boo! Sorry about that, guys. And then we'll do a 60-degree angle. A 60-degree angle would be this triangle right here. So our hypotenuse is 1, which means our short side would be 1/2. And again, that's going to be like our x-coordinate because it's 1/2 to the right. And then this would be root 3 over 2. You see the same numbers all the time with the unit circle. So our x-coordinate is 1/2. Our y-coordinate would be root 3 over 2. That's for 60 degrees. So the basic idea is if you can get that first quadrant down, it's very easy to find the other quadrants. So in the top right quadrant, quadrant 1, your x is positive and your y is positive. Now in quadrant 2, the only difference is your x's are all negative. So let's say negative x and positive y. And then it's nice and easy to just kind of transfer what you have from quadrant 1 over to quadrant 2. So like this 60-degree reference angle will transfer to this 60-degree reference angle, but you just make the x negative. So it would be negative 1/2 and root 3 over 2. If we transfer over our 45-degree angle over here, that would it just makes the x negative. So negative root 2 over 2, and then root 2 over 2. Same thing with the 30-degree reference angle. We just change the x and make it the opposite. So negative root 3 over 2 and 1/2. Same thing. Now we're going to drop it down to quadrant 3. Quadrant 3, they're both negative. So negative x, negative y. So if we take this 30-degree reference angle, we bring it down here, we'll just make them both negative. Negative root 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. The 45s are nice and easy because they're all root 2 over 2s. So this would just be negative root 2 over 2 for both of them. And that last one will come as that red. Transfer that down here. So both coordinates are negative. So negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. And then the last quadrant, let's see. The last quadrant has a positive x, but a negative y. So we can take it from quadrant 1 or quadrant 3, but we're going to take all the y's and just make them negative. So I might run out of time here. But our x stays the same, root 3 over 2, but we make the 1/2 negative. For 45, we got root 2 over 2 and negative root 2 over 2. And that last one, we'll just make the y negative. So 1/2 negative root 3 over 2.